Well, back home on the Lal Street yesterday, the market saw a sharp rally after a gap-down opening to end with gains of about 0.5%. The Nifty ended above the 10,500 mark. Sensex recovered 700 points from the day's low. Nifty Bank also relatively underperformed but ended with a 0.25% uptick. Mid-caps outperformed and ended the day with gains of 1.5%. So it was quite a pullback, you'd have to say, for the markets yesterday. Sonia joins in to give us all the cues that we need to watch out for today. Sonia, no surprise that the new RBI governor would be top of mind along with the election verdict.
Oh yes, definitely. And you have to take each day as it comes when it comes to trade these days. Now, as you rightly said, yesterday you would have made money if you had gone long on the market and shorts would have gotten trapped. Today it looks like it could be the other way around. The SGX Nifty is indicating that the start could be slightly on the weaker side. Of course, the uncertainty of who the new RBI governor will be, that has gone out of the way. So there could be some relief seen in the money markets this morning. Also, the PSU banks could see a bit of a rally. There is an expectation that the PCA norms, the strict norms, could be relaxed, and on account of that, maybe post the appointment of Shaktikanta Das, you could see a move on the upside in the PSU banking space. In fact, HDFC Bank came out with a view saying that the government's prompt decision to announce an RBI governor displays a maturity in handling the tough situation. But the biggest takeaway really for me was the big selling that we got from FIIs yesterday. It just goes to show that in the rally that the market saw, the FIIs have chosen to sell into this market. And of course, there's that continued election uncertainty from now for the next 100 days. That could, perhaps prove to be a bit of a hurdle on the upside for the market. So selling of more than 2,400 crores in the cash market is what we saw. Although DIIs, bought, supporting the market by almost about 2,200 odd crores. Even the US market volatility continues. Remember, the overarching theme has been the global growth slowdown. So that is not out of the way. The Dow closed 53 points lower, but this is after swinging more than 500 points in what was a really volatile day of trade. Brent crude has once again risen marginally. It's trading close to $61 a barrel. So there is this state election uncertainty that still continues, right? Although the RBI governor uncertainty is now out of the way. A lot of brokerages have written notes. I just want to point out one. HSBC has come out with a view on the state election, saying that the results have marked gains for the Congress and a setback for the BJP, which will make the street a bit nervous. State results, though, are not a perfect predictor of the national election outcome. However, the macro stability is expected to be maintained now with the new RBI governor announcement. So today, in all likelihood, the start could be slightly tepid, and maybe because of the state election uncertainty, because of big FII selling, global markets once again could be under pressure. Because of all of that, the market could be subdued. So perhaps yesterday's trade may not work today. So we live each day as it comes.
Absolutely, Sonia. Thanks a lot for that. Live each day as it comes for the markets, given the sort of volatility that we have, not only in the Indian markets, also in the world markets.